Biamono kigima omurigereria bwensoko kwegena kwana buna andonsi asore nigo omugasoro motwereru Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabo n'omugaso ayegana mangana Amayia asenchira yobwenge kurugaiga ensoko TV oboroso bomubuse iretariane korokwa Linet Nyambane. Enyumba y'omunyamoro kurwa ewodi ya Bogichora ebunge ya West Mugirango imeya Nyamira nigo batwarire geikaro na engineer James Kemoni aseba kwanira obuya bwoko bamo na gusira omubyaro uyo guchikorigia ekerwe kenene ky'obugavana bwe county eyo enkwana ya engineer James Kemoni niga kwanira obuya bw'ogusirwa kurwanka asebo igo akwanira obuya bw'okumusiramo niga asabire boigo chinyumba kyonsi kya Nyamira chichore abarayi ba makoro Amayia na batige kurigereria nyumba kiomorai akurwa nigaya kwa naya ase kenyoro kya Monguris ime ye county ya Nyamira.
Abana ba minto lero nachaga tumanyane mwandore na tari chikanisa chino mwandore chiskuru chino mwandore binyoro byino tokwa nelio geli monto kwa nalio giri ngao mombe kama chira ngombe kamora machira Uze naende moji kuna gotenga iga. Abana ba minto tigamba boli. Omwana iborete ka. No mwana iborete omuigu chire guoka. Orori orago tindeke. Omwana otago tindeka. Omuigu nago tindeke. Tigato omuigu engoko. Agenda rosiemet. Emesuto. No molimo. Obora iwanya mira mbokolia gosori. Nanate bobo kichora yeite chakirite matari. Nachire bumbuli. Nachire kegogi. Nachire yanchole. Nachire omosasa. Nachire nyaisa. Nachire ikurucha. Nachire ibucha. Nachire nyabomite. Habetali bobo kichora tole. Nachire bosiango, nachire malindo gotira. Nachire makairo. Ndinege sakwekemo. Igo nacha abantu ba mindomba tebi bogichora ya mate bogichora ya ruguru negentekemo. Obokongu to bwate kimaendeleo no bomo. Wese numo kameta giya ko bwandu. Nje para ne ni jene rosere tugochaga. Wese numo ka rose iri ndengi yake. Esa yeri tali inu mwanya agachete. Ni tutu agachete. Mwanya agachete no kuringa dogo tebi. Bona ende ndogo chuka tebi. Igo nachaga abantu ba mindomba tebi. Murojo bokongu to buate. Murojo bokongu Nyamire buate. Muroje ne chiskuru chabero ko iraba abana baito no bokongu. Muroje na magendra siru korua se binyoru bito byonzi. Nande mate binko bolinde kerokyo bogavana nyore mwanyancheire goitere chama ya chubiri mumbalenga wanjire ko moni aboli bogavana
Togotigaragabu ase e county ya Nyamira oyo korigia ekerogo kebunge ya West Mugirango oyo boigo oromunya kerogo bwikiama gya Jubilee Vincent Kemosi omochirie amaroro y'omurai bwense William Ruto yo mwaka bw'ekiribubere ne 50 nomo asatebiro murai bwense taraikirania ari yo mwaka bw'ekiribubere ne 30 ukwana imeyo mucho Nairobi Kemosi ni gatebire murai bwense nigo abwenerete kubeka teneni amaroroki aikiraniri gusyobo gusuyoria ari yo mwaka bw'ekiribubere 50 nomo
twaikeire ekero twansete ekero mwaka otwari wansa ari the millennium 2000 serikali ya rengo ya NAG yansete na vision 2030 twasukire twaisire gwika 2030 egento kiawenete bono nukora ikaransa turarigereria tokora evaluation yebintu twabegete vya vision 2030 how much are we achieved mbirenga twaikiraniri na hende mbirenga tutaraikirania tokonyora biri twaikiraniri tubeke kando biri tutaraikirania na biri binde torengerete kubeka erindegere tubiretamo tubeke tuiwana nenga ibikwenda vision 2060 lakini umurai bwense enchera akorete egenteke akoboka korubwaye rituko erimo oansa goteba ng'a vision 2060 akobeka igo ntagete koboria abantu baminto omurai buno oyo okoreta vision 2060 bono korubono iga paka 2060 ng'aki abantu bakomenya vision kitobwate korubono iga paka vision 2060 ebinto byakorekanire bya 20 ebya vision 2030 binto kibyakorekanire. What are the milestones we have achieved for vision 2030 na chiri totigariti cha 2016 chirichi igo inche kurwa sengo ikaransa ase vision ya 2060 ko support ese ngencho ngantora take evaluation torigererie ase vision 2030 biribi abege twonki kere kitu achieve na kiri totara achieve na kitura agi achieve what we have not achieved for vision 2030 tairazma to yeire 2060 ebindu naboko nywa medium term byatagete bitaraba achieved by 2030 ibitagete 5 years 10 years biba achieved so that tonyare ko tovautisha mbiribi bitagete vision 2030 na beyond emyaka ende 5 emyaka ende 10 na ende mbiribi ebinyato wansa bigende for vision 2060 for another 30 years. Igo obututu kanumbororo. Kiagero musko gache takaronji vision 2060 wholesome. Kotamanya ngambiri bitura achieve in the next 5 years koru 2030 mbiri bitura achieve the next 10 years koru 2030 erindegera tumanye gusuka mutwe. So obututu kanu obumbororo na kibotambe togotebya abantu baminto nga eserikali yeyeregeti temanyitie kiegokora na kitu atebere abantu botambe kuna togosuka gochimutu gaiga namuna teyo William ne serikali aye egento turakore tegwika 2027 omwakonde no gotuma William Ruto abe wanta mwagendeka
togotigarayo abwatekaine na siasa abarai bari bagusira serikali ya Kenya Kwanza obamanyakante buna broad based baragwa na Faruk Kibet nigo begereire serikali asabo igo baruro kuboria gochia ase abakenya gusira omurai wense ase ntunda ya kabere ase abisi abarai abo bakorete etaro yabo ensemo ya Sabatia Nyakach ase county cha Kericho nigo bono bamochiria abarai bari beromberie kwamirire serikali ase batebere buna tibabwati agenda nde gochia asa Kenya.
Tutashikana na nyinyi na mimi nahakikishia kwamba wale wakora, wale sponsors, wale wanatafuta kusponziwa watashindwa. Mimi nataka niambie watu ya Maragoli, watu ya Sabatia, tungependa baada ya William Ruto utawala uje magharibi. Na majirani wenu ni sisi hapa. Mkituita tunakuja. Nyinyi tukiwataka pia mnafanyaje? Nyinyi hamwezi kukubaliana na wale wakora ambaye wanaamini kwa ukabila. Wengine wanaamini kwa kutumwa, hata wanasaliti nyumbani. Washindwe ama wasishindwe? Waende ama wasiende?
Sisi vile tunaenda kwa kura 2027, tunaomba Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto. Tuko na vijana wamekomaa na wanatosha. The experience they have is more than enough. Au achukue mmoja wao akuwe running mate. Tumekubaliana? Nisikie kwa makofi na nionyeshe vidole ya kwamba tumekubaliana. Yaani tunasema sisi watu wa Western, nataka vidole kuwe juu. Sisi watu wa Western tumekubali kuunga Mheshimiwa Ruto mkono.
Sasa wewe Uhuru Kenyatta tunakuuliza, ni nini ile ulisahau State House? Wewe ulipewa kazi, ukaenda kulewa, ukalala, au kufanya kazi. Sasa Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto amekuonyesha vile kazi inafanywa. My friend, unakuambia ukichengwa tulia. Si namna hiyo? Wakati yako ulikwisha, wewe potelea huko kabisa. Si namna hiyo? Sote tasimama na Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto. Hebu nione two-term ya William Samoei Ruto.
Utikana na yo serikali yense ya Kenya nigeguchia gusira chiskuru ase ogusira chitaranta ao chiabarokigwa anene ase nsemo ya amatera chigosori chyo kwegokia amashairi gotengana boigo chispoti amona yanda mange ayo namangana yo murai wense William Ruto chinga kyariganetie abarokigwa kuru ase chiskuru ao imeyense gosase nyumba yo burai wense gaiga asomucho Nairobi ase bono abarekorwa gose barekorokia chitaranta chabo aiga asomucho Nairobi.
As the performances on this stage have demonstrated, Kenya does not lack talent. Our challenge is to discover and to develop. The government of Kenya, therefore, working with the private sector, will establish the Kenya National Talent Search to identify talent and innovation in music, comedy, acting, poetry, film, dance, sports, and other fields throughout the year in every part of Kenya. The State Department for Youth, working in collaboration with the Creative Economy Office and with the support of Sports Fund, must now move with urgency to roll out the program without further delay. The Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, who coordinates between the national government and the counties, will ensure that this receives the full support and coordination of government at both levels. To align the national talent search with our most urgent national priority, I propose that its inaugural theme be Kenya Beyond 2030. We want to listen to the youth. We want to know what they think about Kenya Beyond 2030. Beginning next year, school creative events shall also carry this theme. Let our young people imagine Kenya's future development. I look forward to personally recognizing winners of the national talent at the Kalasha International Film and TV Awards.
Togotigaraga bwase enyumba y'oborai bwense chingaki chicho murai bwense nigo arure eira gochia ase gose gochia sabaruki kwa bunani ga gochikobeka chibese nsemo echichigo chigosira chitaranta cy'abana bo asebo igatebire buna abana nigo bare asomoro biryoye ya maroro bo mwaka bw'echirubere 50 noyomo.
Can you picture for me beyond 2030? What do you see?
I see performances everywhere. People gathering, being united by music. Yes.
So that's the future?
That's the future.
What do you think government or William Ruto as president, what do you think we should be doing more or better?
In my opinion, we're already doing very well, but we can also involve everyone, not just a few, everyone in different activities so that everyone is able to showcase their talents, their abilities. Yes.
Okay, great. So I just want to give you one decision that we have made. All along, as I have told you, this was extracurricular, activity.
Yes.
But now, with competence-based education, this is no longer extracurricular. This is now mainstream education. And as a result, in the past, this used to be funded by well-wishers and, sports fund and others. But now, going forward, this will be put in the budget the same way we are doing education.
Is there space for creatives in the government?
Absolutely. First, we are making music no longer, something on the side. It's now formally in the education process. That's number one. Number two, the creative space is the future. Culture, music, film, drama is the future. And it is no longer the things you do out of luxury. It's part of the growing of an economy of our country. And that is really the future. And it is the reason why I have a specific department in the office of the president to look at the creatives, because that is where talent of millions of people, that is where the future commerce of the creative space is going to be nurtured and is going to be made available for those in that space. So The future, as you say, is very bright.
Ayo na ari gochikumirana na Clinton yondi yenseyemo na wego Chinsa isato chara robotko erindo chikoyomanya wekirano na wekiraga bo omwanchu murigereri na to wekira omweri bwa mangana Amayia asenchira yobwenge bari bene kiuna chibiche chiga nerio gengo wekira rire asenchira ya bene Ibere Bosire Lois Nyambura na wego Toldi gokuganirio tware omobasomya na nchengoro kwa Linet.